Obtaining working capital can be difficult at times. But it does not have to be that way. Introducing your solution. We have business funding solutions that offer the best and most affordable options to help you grow your business. We are in business to help businesses across the US and Canada. We charge no upfront fees, no broker fees, and there is no nonsense. When you work with us, you don't have to wait a long time to get approved for your capital. Get the money you need and take your business to the next level. There are only 3 easy steps going forward. 1. Fill out our quick pre-qualification application. 2. Receive your decision. 3. Receive funding. Easy steps, right? So what are you waiting for? Visit royalbusiness.solutions now.